Hello guys, this is Lunda TV. I'm in the train. I'm going to downtown and I want to show you this view on the train, guys. And for those who are new in my channel, thank you for your support. I'm Lunda TV in Stockholm. Today is very cold outside. The sun is shining like this. This area, most of both sides are like forest. Enjoy the ride. Let me show you this side of the train. This station looks like this. And these buildings are new in this area. Yeah guys, on the TV. I will change my position to show you more outside there. Lunda TV, enjoy the previous video guys. I hope you enjoy my channel. I'm in Stockholm, Sweden. There's a funny video. Watch that video. I was trying to eat a pizza and it's strange enough, first time people like, maybe someone hungry. But I wasn't hungry, I was like trying to eat. Yeah. The view looks like this outside, guys.
Not to try to get more solo, but just to try to make it. You know? I go start up at the beginning. Every time I go say, I don't go train, I don't make it to the train. I need that. Another one, that
the other sides look like this.
That's one place to do the take it to start. You think they happen how chairman they talk to them?
Remember this train is coming from last station from this side here. Let me show you where this train was coming. Watch this. This train just came from there. And we are going to downtown. I hope you get a picture inside the train in Lunda TV.
Please mind the gap between the train and the platform when you exit the train.
You know what happened? All those ones were dying.
Sun is shining there. Wow.
You know, Nigerians get sense. Nigerians they learn fast. When one person won't die, others two will learn. Nobody won't die. They will dodge.
Enjoy the view, Lunda.
But now who won't die? Now who won't die? Yeah, no, yeah. know say I go die, but not be now. I don't want to die.
Sometimes I enjoy shooting videos, filming. Like today, I'm sitting in this chair alone, like this, you see, empty chairs, and that's why I can even enjoy filming and talking to you guys. We are going to downtown, and for those who are commenting that London we can't afford watching 20 minutes all the video, please take your time, just watch 5 minutes and comment on that. Rose Presley, Mexico, thank you for your support, commenting each content. Thank you for your support. I'm very humbled to have you in my channel, my dear friend. Yeah. Remember, it was the same train I took 2 weeks ago. I wanted to show you other side from downtown, and the train stopped in the middle of nowhere. It's the same one. Yeah, this is like another community around here.
Nästa, Trångsund. Tänk på avståndet mellan vagn och plattform när du stiger av.
Some companies here. The sun is shining there.
Between the train and the platform when you exit the train.
Some English. Oh God. And if it's like this, you have to wear always the jacket because of the cold. Nice, beautiful colors. Look at sky. I'm here with someone who's speaking English. Okay, let me move from here to other side, guys. Let's go. So I just changed the place to other one because the guy is like making noise, trying to explain himself like he's speaking English on the train. I can tell that he's making just noise. No sense talking. Yeah. Just come from the side to here. I can see these doors are blocked, so that is not functioning. We change the weather. From this side here, right? Let me show you around. Can you see that? Yeah, there's a forest around here, guys. We are going to downtown. In this community they have a metro. That is information I just got now. Look at nice colors, guys, of the trees. There's nice forest here also. This is the station. Okay, enjoy the video, guys. I want to call it for today. London TV, Stockholm.